Sagittarius, hi, welcome to Mr. Queen PH at titingnan natin what's coming to you ngayong Burr months. So that's September, October, November, December. Ayan, so if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong 50% discount. Extended yan hanggang September 2025. So mag-book na kayo, yung link nasa description at sa pinned comment. And pa-like, share, subscribe na rin ang ating channel. And also, comment na rin kayo kung kayo naka-resonate. Meron din tayong free one question. I-comment nyo yung question nyo, tapos pipili ako ng mabibigyan ng free one question tarot reading. Ayan. So, paalala lang na ang reading na ito ay general reading. Maaari kayong makarelate, maaari hindi. Just take what resonates. So, let's see what's coming to you, Sag, ngayong Burr months. Okay. So this is your overall energy, challenge, opportunity, blessing sa energy ng September, October, November, December. Ayan. Bottom of the deck is the Four of Pentacles. So, mayroong stability sa iyong finances. Meron ding stability sa iyong values, yung mga bagay na binavalue mo sa sarili mo. Yung iba sa inyo, maaring mas focus kayo sa pagsisave ng pera ngayong Burr months. Maaring iiwas kayo sa gastos or meron kayong sobra, no? Sobra para mas maipon nyo pa yung pera nyo. You have the Tower, the Eight of Pentacles. Some of you merong major change sa career or sa daily routine nyo, yung pang-araw-araw nyo ginagawa. Pwedeng magbabago ka ng routine. Let's say may kinalaman sa health mo na mas mag-exercise ka ngayon or mas bibigyan mo ng pansin yung time mo with your family. Ganon. So, may magbabago sa iyong routine. You have the King of Swords, Eight of Pentacles. I think mas ano ka ngayon, mas seryoso pagdating sa pera mo. Like, business-minded yung energy mo ngayong Burr months. Pwedeng ikay magsisimula ng bagong negosyo or iba pang mapagkakakitaan. Yes, meron kang magandang idea. Magandang idea for a new opportunity to earn money. I also see communication from someone na pwedeng matagal mo nang hinihintay na mag-reach out sa'yo. Pwedeng mag-uusap kayo para maayos yung issue nyo before. Pwede rin namang ikaw yung magre-reach out. Okay, so this is your overall energy. The Magician, ang ganda oh. The Magician is about your skills, your power. So, nagle-level up yung skills mo. Maari may mga bago kang pag-aaralan, i-improve sa yung sarili. You are finally taking action. And ang mga Sagittarius kasi mahilig sila sa mga pag-aaral, dadagdag ng knowledge sa kanila. So, I feel like, yung iba sa inyo meron kayong skill na idadagdag sa sarili nyo. Let's say, dati magaling kayong magluto. So, pwede ngayon dadagdagan nyo pa. Magbe-bake naman kayo. 'Di ba? So, kahit ano pa to, no? Kahit ano pang skill set to that you are going to acquire. You are stepping into your own power. Kumbaga. And then, your possible challenge is the Ace of Pentacles. This is about new beginnings. Prosperity. Wow. So, yung iba sa inyo, as a challenge, maaring kung ano ba itong nagsisimula sa inyo or magsisimula na oportunidad ngayong Burr months. Maaring sa una, kumbaga mangangapa ka pa eh. Let's say, bagong trabaho. Syempre, ipafamiliarize mo muna yung sarili mo sa bagong trabaho. If this is a new business or bagong negosyo, syempre, nandun ka pa sa adjustment period. So, may mga sacrifices. But, definitely, this will bring prosperity sa'yo kung talagang paninindigan mo. Oo. And then, your opportunity is the Two of Pentacles. This is about balance in your finances. So, maaring yung mga gastos mo, mababalanse mo na. Yung pasok ng pera, labas ng pera, ano na siya, balance na. Hindi na puro palabas. Which is mas maganda rin kung puro papasok, 'di ba? But, syempre, mahirap naman yung puro tayo trabaho, trabaho, trabaho at di naman natin naasikaso yung ating mga sarili, 'di ba? Kaya nga, balance lang dapat. Work-life balance. So, that is your opportunity. Iba sa inyo, may madadagdag na bagong source of income. Kaya kayo ay mas makakaipon. And then, your blessing is the Four of Swords. So, as a blessing, this is recovery. So, yung iba sa inyo, kung nagkaroon ng financial struggle in the past, fully recover na kayo ngayong bare months. And also, this is about the rest. So, blessing sa inyo yung mga pagkakaroon ng bakasyon, katahimikan ng isip, yung time mo para sa sarili mo. Practicing self-love, self-care. Ayan. So, let's see the energy ng September for you. You have the Seven of Wands. This is challenge and courage. So, maaring ngayong September, kumbaga, sineset ka ngayon para mas maging malakas, mas maging palaban, ayan, at mag-set ng boundaries, no? Na hindi lahat pinagbibigyan. Hindi lahat worth it na magsakripisyo ka. Kumbaga, piliin mo lang kung saan ka mas magiging productive, 'di ba? And then that is September, and then October energy. You have the High Priestess. So this is wisdom, your inner voice. Some of you will have a very strong instinct, intuition in making decisions. Napaka-importante niyan. Pag major decisions yung gagawin mo, minsan ang hirap ng mag-decide, no, pumili. Pero yung instinct mo, yung gut feel mo is very strong na yan yung talagang magbibigay sa'yo ng guidance. I also see you acquiring more knowledge. Pwedeng yung iba sa inyo, you are into tarot, spirituality, astrology, or anything esoteric. And then, November, the Two of Wands. This is partnership, planning. So, yung iba sa inyo, maaring meron kayong, papasok kayo sa isang business partnership, or meron kang project, no? Can be personal project na kukuha ka ng kasama mo dyan, no? Someone na tutulong sa'yo, whether sa physical labor or pwedeng sa ideas, no? Someone will be able to bring you or give you knowledge or assistance or someone na tutulong sa mga plano mo to make it happen. And then, pagdating ng December, wow, ang ganda naman. Oh, you have the Ten of Cups. This is prosperity, joy, contentment. So, congratulations sa inyo, Sagittarius, because bare months is going to be a fruitful months for you. And also, maaaring mas marami ka ring time with your family to go out, have fun, enjoy, no? Enjoy their company. So, this is a great energy for you. May mga masasayang bagay na magagawa kayo together with your family. Yung iba, may uso naman mga reunion pag pag December. So, maaring yan, magiging masaya ang reunion ninyo or yung bondings ninyo together with your family. And then, let's see the ano pa yung ibang energy for your kaperahan. Let's use another tarot deck. Money, career, finances for Sagittarius. What's the energy? Money, career, finances. You have the Queen of Swords. Oh, maalam ka na talaga. Marunong ka na sa buhay, marunong ka sa pera. O, Ten of Cups, happiness, fulfillment. And you have the Hierophant, yes. So, yung iba sa inyo, if you are like nasa field kayo ng teaching, training, this is going to be fulfilling para sa inyo, sa inyong trabaho, sa career path ninyo. Maari ring merong mentor or someone who's going to help you out sa mga projects na gagawin mo. Very supportive sa'yo. And then, let's see your love life. 5 of Pentacles. Oh, okay. This is, yung mga may relationship, ha? Maaring merong, can be a challenging situation with your romantic partner. Oo. Pwedeng may kinalaman to sa pera. Let's say, ikaw okay ka pagdating sa pera, pero yung partner mo pwedeng may challenge siya. So, syempre, ikaw yung nandyan para tumulong sa kanya, mag-support sa kanya, mag-cheer up sa kanya ng mga, na kaya niya. Let's see what else for Sag. To the sea. May mga bagay na hindi ka na kukontrahin. Oo. Kapag alam mo na hindi mo kontrolado, you just let it go. You just surrender. If it's beyond your control. Kasi, ayaw mo nang ma-stress sa mga bagay na wala kang magagawa. You also have message in the bottles. Like what I mentioned sa inyo kanina, pwedeng meron kayong important na message na marireceive from someone malayo or someone na matagal mo na hindi nakikita. Maaring may reconciliation with your loved ones or someone sa family or friend na matagal mo nang hindi nakakausap for some reasons, nag-away-away kayo. Ayan, so happy. Ang ganda. Happy ang energy ninyo. This is about celebration, happiness, fulfillment. Ayan. Let's see. What else for Sagittarius? Burr months. What other message for Sag? Oh my God. O, diba? Great happiness. Great happiness talaga. Merong, kumbaga itong ngayong Burr months na to, you will experience na parang masasabi mo na sobrang saya mo. Can be anything. Pwedeng material, dahil sa material na bagay, or sa accomplishment mo, or sa nangyari sa'yo. Yan. You also have deep personal strength and peace that assure success. Wow. Yung sarili mong lakas at kapayapaan ng isip mo, yan yung magbibigay sa'yo ng tagumpay. And wow, tingnan mo naman, happy talaga, Sag. Grabe, happiness and well-being. So that is your focus. To be happy and to take care of yourself, your needs. Okay. And the final message, let's see, for Sagittarius. Ngayong Burr months. Sagittarius. It is safe to be seen. Ayan. So, kumbaga, makakasama ka or makakasalamuha mo, no? Or ma-attract mo yung mga tao na kapareho mo ng energy, ka-vibes mo, kumbaga, yung iyong soul tribe. And kaya siguro mas malalabas mo yung happiness mo or parang you will feel happy and fulfilled kasi yung mga taong nakakasama mo ay mga taong nagla-light up ng energy mo rin. Gaia's gateway, access Earth's inner wisdom. Yes. You are accessing Earth's inner wisdom. Maaring anything that is related to your resources, may marami kang natututunan, nalalaman ng mga bagong techniques, strategies on how to improve your life in general, 'di ba? Ayan. So, that is your reading, Sagittarius. Thank you so much and see you again.